immutable timeline, mutable timeline, and alternate histories, as in the interacting many worlds interpretation. The non-scientific term timeline is often used to refer to all physical events in history, so that where events are changed, the time traveler is described as creating a new timeline. Early science fiction stories feature characters who sleep for years and awaken in a changed society, or are transported to the past through supernatural means. Among them Lon 2440, Rave Silenfit Joma the year 2440, A Dream If Ever There Was One, 1770 by Louis Sébastien Mercier, Rip Van Winkle 1819 by Washington Irving, Looking Backward 1888 by Edward Bellamy, and When the Sleeper Awakes 1899. By H. G. Wells. Prolonged sleep is used as a means of time travel in these stories. The date of the earliest work about backwards time travel is uncertain. The Chinese novel The Supplement to the Journey to the West Sea, 1640 by Dong Yue features magical mirrors and jade gateways that connect various points in time. The protagonist Sun Wukong travels back in time to the world of the ancients, Qin dynasty, to retrieve a magical bell, and then travels forward to the world of the future Song dynasty to find an emperor who has been exiled in time. However, the time travel is taking place inside an illusory dream world created by the villain to distract and entrap him. Samuel Madden's Memoirs of the 20th Century, 1733, is a series of letters from British ambassadors in 1997 and 1998 to diplomats in the past, conveying the political and religious conditions of the future. 95 to 96, because the narrator receives these letters from his guardian angel. Paul Alcorn suggests in his book, Origins of Futuristic Fiction, that the first time traveler in English literature is a guardian angel. 85 Madden does not explain how the angel obtains these documents, but Alcorn asserts that Madden deserves recognition as the first to toy with the rich idea of time travel in the form of an artifact sent backward from the future to be discovered in the present. 95 to 96 in the science fiction anthology Far Boundaries 1951. Editor August Derleth claims that an early short story about time travel is an anachronism, or missing one's coach, written for the Dublin Literary Magazine by an anonymous author in the June 1838 issue, while the narrator waits under a tree for a coach to take him out of Newcastle upon Tyne. He is transported back in time over 1,000 years. He encounters the Venerable Bede in a monastery and explains. However, the story never makes it clear whether these events are real or a dream. 11 to 38. Another early work about time travel is The Forebears of Calamarose, Alexander.